Hello YouTube, and I'm back again with 4 other guys, Bionicle, and these are all new, well, the newest Bionicle since they quit. So here is, I can't remember his name, but whatever. Yep, he has this staff. Didn't come with a thorn axe. What's up with that? So I just put that Piraka ball in there, but it fits. Giant feet. I kind of like them. And Tohordika legs. Yay. Armor pads. Oh, no, not the Eugueri. His body has a weird tooth piece on there for some reason. And he has this underarm armor and a crazy mask. And his game thing. The game. Yeah. Oh! Don't fall over. Okay. And here's the green Eugueri. He has a red head, which I think goes really good with his color scheme. Although I'm not sure these are in the right spot. Yeah. I don't think they are, but whatever. He looks cool. He has these claw feet and claw hands. Although his back is kind of plain. Nonetheless, he still looks awesome. And his arms and legs are different. So, well, actually, they're a little. Actually, they're the same as Tahu Bionicle stars, but yeah. Here is the Skrall, the mini Skrall. Or is he mini? I'm not sure, but whatever. For some reason, he has this really long mask. I saw the movie. I know it's in there, but it looks too long. And yeah, he has these blades on his shoulders, which all Skrall do. Lime green hands, awesome sword, black, and red head, just as the Eugueri. Same feet as Tahu Bionicle stars as well. So yeah. Put him back. And finally, Glue. He is awesome. That's all I have to say. Not really, but he has this launcher. Didn't come with a thorn axe either, so I replaced it with the silver ball. Yeah. Shoulder pad, and they broke up one of Strack's shields and put him on his shoulders, which I think looks awesome from the front. If I can put him down, and yeah, and then he has this awesome snowflake mask. Intimidating. And he has a blue head, and he has this ice blade, which I'll click on from here, and you can see that ice blade. Yeah, some parts don't actually connect to it, but then the ends do. So, yep, and just as the other Glatorian, or Vastus, that's what his name is, Vastus. Yeah, just as Vastus, he has the game gauge with the, so if you can, I would really recommend buying them. Not so much the Skrall, but the rest, get him. Especially him, he's awesome. And that is it for this review, and goodbye.